Today we'll be making tuna egg rolls. So we will have spring roll pastry, which is, we call it lumpia wrapper in Filipino. I will have can of tuna, so I have 3. It's 5 ounces each. Then I have carrots, I have green onions, I have red pepper, and then I will also be using a regular onion. Egg roll, whatever you may have. So I'm using this kind of tuna. There are so many brands out there, so I will be using 3 5 ounces cans. And then this one, there's 25 sheets of spring roll pastry or the lumpia wrapper. I will be using carrots, green onions, red pepper, and regular onion. So after washing it all up, I'm going to dice all of this and then just mix them together. Okay. So now we're going to chop them. Again, I'm not a professional chef, alright? So bear with me. I'm just a regular mommy and a wife doing home cooked meals for my family. And as you can hear in the background, my heater is on. And my daughter is banging some of our utensils here. So she's helping me out, throwing the garbage, doing some stuff. So I'm dicing this one. Doesn't need to be perfect. This is not for sale, right? This is for our dinner tonight. So I'm just chopping everything and then put them together. There's no right or wrong here because we're not in a 5-star restaurant. We are in a 5-star home. Just kidding. So I'm just trying to chop all of this and then dice it up. Okay, so I have carrots. I'll dice it just a little smaller because I'm going to mix it later with my tuna. Again, we're making a tuna egg roll, so I want this as small as possible. It doesn't have to be perfect, alright? So I've chopped all of this here. I'm gonna cut it all up. Okay, guys, and I'm here cooking in my basement. So you may see something a little odd. This is not my regular kitchen. The regular kitchen is upstairs. I'm here because, you know, it's winter time. So I'm frying. It makes a lot of smell upstairs and I don't like that. So I'm cooking here downstairs because I have like a dirty kitchen. It's not literally dirty, it's just called dirty kitchen. I don't know how to explain it. It's called a dirty kitchen. It's not dirty, it's just a name. Because I can make it as dirty as I can. I don't know. Of course, I'll clean up later. So chop. I'm just showing it to you that I'm gonna chop this up. Okay, all of this. Just mix it together, and then later on, I'm going to put my tuna. Okay, so let me finish chopping and then I'll show you the rest. So now in my mixing bowl, I'm going to add the veggies that I chopped up. Okay. And then I'm going to put the 3 cans of tuna. I'm not going to remove the water. Okay. That will help in binding the vegetables later. So I put the 3 cans. Alright. Then 2 teaspoons of salt. I'm going to put a teaspoon of black pepper. Have 1 large egg. I beat it already. That helps with binding. And then I have 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. So it's not like the regular meat that it has a fat that will bind. So that's why I added those binders, the egg and the how you call this? And the flour. And why am I talking in English? Forgive my grammar, alright, if my grammar is not correct. But I am trying my best to speak in English so everybody can understand what I'm talking about. I'm Filipino and I can talk in Tagalog, Filipino, or my local dialect, which is Ilonggo. Hello sa akong mga kasimanwa dira sa South Cotabato. Ang akong nga bata nagasiyagit na ma'am ko no. Yes baby. That's okay. So ang akong nga bata natawag ako, nakato kami simbahan. Anyway, I will talk in English as much as I can. I'm trying to explain as much as I can. I will try my best so everybody can understand. So I just eyeballed everything. Okay? I don't have specific because when I'm cooking at home, I don't measure, especially if it's like just the regular, except when I'm baking, then I measure. But when I'm cooking regular food like this, no, I'm not. So after I mix all of this, so I have carrots, I have red pepper, I have green onions, I have the regular red onions, and then I put some black pepper, salt. See, I said salt. Salt. What else did I put? Eggs and the tuna, canned tuna. And then after mixing, I'm going to wrap this in a spring roll pastry wrap. We call it lumpia wrapper. Lumpia wrap. So lumpia is egg roll in Filipino. So I'm going to start filling up my pastry sheets. So for my pastry sheets, it's like this. It came from the freezer. So I have to peel it off one by one. This one here. Peel off 1 sheet each. Okay. Alright, that's how I do it. So I have 25 pieces of this. So I'm going to peel it off and then I'm going to put some filling in here, then I will roll it up. So now I'm going to take 1 scoop, like a tablespoon of this, and I'm going to put at the end here. Okay, the end. And then what I'm gonna do, okay, I'm going to start rolling it. Okay, rolling. So it's like that. Okay, roll it like that. I like it big. not too big, but big enough, because this is just for household consumption. It's not gonna be like for commercial use or anything like that. So this is just to feed my family. So I made one, okay, and then I will continue wrapping the rest of it. I don't think I need to seal the end. See, it's closing by itself. I just need to put it like that. Okay, so that's how you roll it. Okay guys, so we're going to continue wrapping our tuna egg rolls. This tuna egg rolls is inspired by the fish egg roll made by one of the Filipino priests that I saw on Facebook. Hi Father Joel Lopez. I saw your video. You did the mackerel though. Mine is the tuna version. So Father Joel is our Filipino priest here in the Filipino community here in Illinois. I'm subscribing to his channel in Facebook, and I saw one of his cooking tutorials in one of the parishes that he's assigned to. He's not assigned to our parish, but to a Filipino mass. Thank you, Father Joel. Although I'm not going there most of the time because I have my own parish, and sometimes we go there to attend. So now I made 25 pieces of tuna egg rolls. Sorry for the noise, guys. It's the fan. We have an extra fan by the window. It's winter here in this part of the world, so I need to use extra fan. And then here's the pan. I'm going to put oil, and then we're going to fry it. So we have to wait until this pan with oil is hot enough. Okay. And then we're going to fry our egg roll. Is it hot enough? No, it's not. Alright. So I need to wait a little bit more. I'm too excited to fry it. Okay. So I think it's hot enough. So I can put more. Alright. Okay. I hope it's not gonna splatter. It's a fish. It's a tuna fish egg roll. So I think I need to lower down a little bit, or else it's gonna burn fast. So now I'm frying. Okay, I'll just wait until this one turns brown, and then I will drain it in a paper towel. And you can use ketchup, or if you have the ready-made from the store, those sauces for the egg roll, that will work. For me, I think I will use my ketchup, and I'll put some mayo. So now it turns golden brown. Then, since there's a lot of splatter, you can transfer it in our plate. Okay. Here, paper towel to dry. Yeah, this is what I hate when frying. The oil splatters. That's why I prefer to put down here. Because the oil splatters everywhere. So I'm in my basement kitchen. I call it dirty kitchen. Dirty kitchen literally doesn't mean dirty. Okay, of course I clean up. Who wants their food dirty? Nobody. You always want to have a good food and clean food. It's just the name. It's dirty kitchen. Okay, so after frying, I have to clean up because the grease are all over. So I have to spray with the kitchen degreaser. Okay? I have to clean up. So everything will be ready for the next cooking session. So this is quite hot. So I'm going to use this one and clean up, people. Clean up. It's easier to clean up right after, but just be careful because it's hot. You might burn yourself. I'm used to this already, so don't do it if you are scared. Do it at your own discretion, but this is how I do it. Anyway, after I cook, I clean. So next time, everything is ready. We're going to try the lumpia. We are in our kitchen. So this is how it looks now. So I made 25 pieces. And then for the sauce, we made mayo and ketchup. We have banana sauce, banana ketchup. But you can use tomato ketchup if that's what's available. So banana ketchup is available in Filipino stores and Asian market. Okay, try it, ate.
So we are going to try now the tuna lumpia that Mom made.
Thank you, Father Joel, for inspiring this food. I saw it on Facebook. Father Joel, hello.
Okay.
Father Joel Lopez. This is an inspiration from him for the Lent season.
Let's try
Okay,
it.
tell me your thoughts about it. Tagalog mo? Marunong ka ba?
I'm not good.
You're not good?
No, my grammar sucks.
How's it?
It's good.
It's good compared to the pork and chicken and whatever the regular meat.
It tastes similar to
It's similar.
like regular meat, but it's good.
Yeah, you like it?
It's good.
You sure?
Of course.
Promise?
Yes,
So, you recommend tuna?
I do recommend. Try it.
If you don't eat meat, you can do tuna lumpia instead. Now it's my turn to eat too. Let me try it. So crunchy.